NRG Creative, I have got a special edition while they last side mount, the 360 version, for the Sea-Doo skis. Check this out. Alright guys, so there is the 360 version on the side of the ski. If you have the Sea-Doo rod cup accessory holder, you have to get this mount, which comes with the bottom part, from Sea-Doo. Then these will fit right on there. Very unique locking mechanism, holds them tight in place. But this one here is the standard one. Let me show you what I've got for something that's a little bit different, and it's like I said, it's going to be limited time only. We have the standard carbon fiber. Now these are pretty cool. Like you can see here, you got the standard version. It's kind of shiny. You can see some layer lines and so on. And then we've got carbon fiber. So right now I've got these limited. Not sure if I'm going to continue offering those. And here's the green. So they're available in two colors on the carbon fiber. They are PETG filament that's carbon fiber infused. So it makes these extremely strong. But I've got this green, and then of course I've got the black. And if you see, they've got kind of like a matte finish to them versus a shiny finish like the standard ones. But anyway, these are going to be available in these two colors only on this item, guys, and it's the 360, the big stick. So, you know, these are coming just like the other ones. It'll hold the 36 millimeter selfie stick. It's all got stainless steel hardware where your selfie stick will screw into the bottom of it. So it's very secure, very strong. These are going to be even stronger. So I'm going to see how these go by doing a test run. Like I said, these will be available in these two colors until I run out of that filament. So we'll give that a shot. I'll put it up on the website, and let me know what you think of them. We'll talk to you next time. See you on the water soon.